If you tried putting a 0 in the pre-money valuation after you did these share price modifications, then you'll notice that you still get to divide by 0 here. And that's not a problem because you just do the exact same thing we just did, except you reference a slightly different cell. And I'll show you that here. So if this equals 0, then 0, right? Otherwise, it is the amount invested divided by L7. And I'll put a period here instead of a comma. Let me change that real quick. And so now you get the 0. And of course, if you didn't have a series A, you haven't had a series B yet, so this would be zeroed out. And you'll get the same arrow, the same error there again. Let me zoom in just a little bit. And do the same thing. If this equals 0, then 0. Otherwise, this divided by the share price. And there you go, right? I mean, we still have, so we need to zero out the option pools. And here. And we got another divide by 0. The last piece of this puzzle of trying to get all of these div 0 error messages out of the way is to adjust the option pool so that we can say here the exact same way, if this equals 0, then 0. Otherwise, oops, L39 plus R23, minus R23, and get a 0 there. And we've done the same thing here. So we're good to go. We have some big numbers here that are negatives that we need to troubleshoot. And let's see here. This is because we have a 0 here, which we'll never really have a 0 here, or else you won't have a cap table. So we can do that. And there's everything calculated. So real-time troubleshooting. Sometimes I don't even get this the first try, and that looks right. So there you go. That's how you troubleshoot and fix some of those div 0 errors you may be getting if you're zeroing out the pre-money valuation and the post-money option pool.